Hello everyone, my name is Tanvi. I come from a technical support and network admin background. Currently, I am transitioning into GRC field. I have joined Inegben GRC program last year December, and I got final acceptance letter on 1st of January from Inegben Academy, and I got to know about this great opportunity from one of my LinkedIn friend Esther. She was the previous student in Inegben Academy in the same program. I have joined Inegben Academy because I want to build a strong understanding of governance, risk and compliance, and also understand how GRC industry works from a practical perspective. Before joining this cohort, I had limited knowledge about GRC frameworks and compliance processes, but throughout this program, I gained exposure to important frameworks and standards such as NIST framework, RMF, ISO 27001, ISO 22301, ISO 42001, SOC 2, risk management processes, security controls, and most importantly, audit concepts and compliance practices used in different organizations. One thing I really appreciated was their live sessions. The instructors explained concepts in a very practical and understandable way, which made complex topics easier to understand. I also enjoyed the career guidance sessions because they gave me a better understanding of the GRC job market out there and how to continue growing in this field. The program helped me gain more confidence in my learning journey and gave me a clearer direction towards building career in GRC. I also appreciated being part of a learning community where questions, discussions, and continuous learning were encouraged. Overall, I would definitely recommend this program to beginners who really want to understand the concepts of GRC and how governance, risk, compliance works together in different organizations. Career transitioners and anyone interested in learning governance, risk and compliance. Thank you to Inegben Academy. Thank you to Stanley and everyone involved in organizing this cohort. I'm excited to continue learning and growing in GRC field. Thank you so much.